So welcome to the class. For today is we're going to continue from what we learned yesterday, which is how can we optimizing our Gmail, how can we master our Gmail. So still the same objective that we try to achieve. It just out of 5 of these, we have additional outcome that we are going to learn. But yesterday we already learned 1 till 3. For today, we're going to continue from 5 to 4 to 5. So we're going to have a look how can we automate common action, and also how can we create can responses. Okay, but before we can proceed with how can we automate a common response, now we're going to learn labeling. Okay, because in order to master that, we actually need to know how to do labeling. So the very first thing for today's session, we are going to do labeling. Okay, for labeling, this is an option. First option, you can tick. Okay, you need to go to your Gmail account, and then in your Gmail, you just tick on the box that you of your mail that you would like to have a label. Label will turn out something like this. Okay, turn out something like this. This is label. Okay, this is label. HR, this is a label. So how are you going to do this? This is for the one who using your laptop, yeah. Okay, so now just click on the email that you would like to label. Okay, click on the mail that you would like to label. Once you click, it will tick. Okay, it will become the box will tick. Okay, you will notice they have a tick right now, and then you will notice as well on the top there will label icon appear. Okay, there will be a label icon appear. So it's this one. Okay, it's this one. So you are searching for this button right now. But can you ensure that you already tick the mail? Okay, first you need to make sure that you tick the mail. Once you tick the mail, now the label appear. Okay, now you click on this. Click on the label. Okay, so for my case here, I already created a few labels before. But don't worry, for now, I'm going to create new label. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to proceed to create a new label. So you just click on create new. Okay, create new. So click on create new. After that, this box will appear, will pop up. Okay. Now here, please enter a label name. So here in my example, I already have HR. Okay, label as HR. So this one is the name for your label. So you enter, it can be any name, any unique names that you wish to give. Okay, you can give it any names there. So you just key in the name. Once you're done, here there's an option to nest label under. So nest label under means that there is a sub label. It will become a sub label. Okay. If here in my case, I choose to um, I choose to make it a nest. Okay, I choose to make it a nest label under. So I click on it. By default, it's not. By default you don't have to tick. But for my case here, I wish to this booking is a sub label. So I choose nest label under. I tick the box. So now you can choose. Please select a parent. So what is the main label? So you need to choose the parents. So you click on here. Please select a parent. Click on the drop down. So now you just choose the parents. You can choose the main label. For here, my case, digital skill. Okay. So booking is a NAS label under digital skill. So now I just create. So I'm done creating label booking. The name for my label is booking. It's a NAS label under digital skills. Now I just click on create. So now I already have. It will inform me conversation added to Google Education. So because the reason why, because Google Educator, this is the main label, and then here I have another NAS label, and then under digital skill I have another NAS which is booking. Okay, so it's a NAS. So the parents for booking is digital skills. The parents for digital skills is Google Educator. So as you can see here, they already label it. Okay, you can see here they already label Google. This is the label. So like I said, it's a NAS. For example here, my case, booking. So the parents is digital skills. Means here, is a sub. Okay, is a sub. So the booking here, up here, digital skills. This is the parents and this is the NAS. So that's how you do NAS. Okay, for mobile, for mobile. First I'm going to tell. Okay, you open up your Gmail. Okay, open up your Gmail. You already opened up your Gmail, and then on the top right, there's either three dots or a button more. Okay, you open up your Gmail, and then on the top there should be a button. So you are in your email. Sorry, on the left. So on the left, it should be a three line or there's a button more. Okay. So for Android, the button more, here, the button, okay. So if you are iPhone user, you will see the three line, but if you are Android user, you will see three dot on the top. It's the same, okay. That's a more for you. So you click on it. So there's a create new. Once you click on more here, you scroll down, you will see there's a create new. There's a plus sign, create new. Plus sign, create new. Okay, can you see there's a create new. So you click on it. Okay, create new, click on it, and then that's it. You can already created the. Okay, are you Android user or are you an iPhone user? Okay. Okay, Android. Okay. Don't worry. If you are Android, wait. Let me just type Android phone. Apologize on that. Okay. So just to make sure that I'm doing the same. So okay. Oh, there's no NAS label for if you're using your phone. It's just a normal one. Wait. Setting. Okay. Or label. Okay, so you open up your mail. In the top right, there was a button like a three dot. Okay, you know what? I just send you a link so that you ensure that you follow this link. Okay, I will give you a link. This is for Android. This is the step from Google, just to ensure that you follow. Okay, and this is for if you're using your phone. This is for iPhone or iPad user. iPad. Okay. So this is so just to ensure that you're on the correct path. This is the one provided by Google, just to ensure that you do it correctly. Just in case that my instruction is not clear, so in there they will show you the step by step how to create and create a new. level for Android. There in the link, there's a, I will suggest you kindly go to the link because the phone I am using iPhone, so that my instruction will be different from you. I'm so sorry, I have no iPhone to demonstrate. Sorry, I have no Android, so I'm not sure how the correct button, because I only have the instruction given by Google there. Okay, so the instruction, as you can see, the instruction there, they said is on the top right, but if you are using iPhone, it will be on the top left. So I believe the button is on different side. So yeah, just to ensure that I provide you with the correct information, therefore I give you the link provided by Google, step by step by Google. Okay, change level, is it after open email? If you wish to change, you need to open up the email, or also you don't have to open up, you still can do it just like the way you created the mail, you just untick. Okay, you just untick it. So let's just demonstrate, because I also want to show you. I purposely didn't do labeling so that I can show you how exactly it works. Okay. Now let's just say I'm going with this. Okay. Souls247/education. So I'm going with the first mail here that I have. So thing that you need to do again, you need to click on this. Okay. You need to click on the box. So you can also have few email. Okay, a few email. Not only necessary to be one, you can also tick and decide to have a few mail. Okay, for example, here my case, I have few mail. Now here is the label. Here is the labels. Click on it. So if you wish to create new, you can click on create new. Okay, click on create new. Oh, okay, you cannot see the message before. Okay. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Okay, here. So here is the one. If you want to create new, you just go to create new, and then you can create. This is the label name. For example, just now I have booking, and then here mine is label under was Google Educator here. Sorry, digital skill. It was under digital skills. Under digital skills is under my Google Educator. So I go with digital skill just now. So it's become booking. So now,
Miss,
okay.
sorry.
Yep.
Yeah, Miss Patty, just now, so we have already labeled a certain file, I mean the email. Then subsequently, Miss, afterwards, will it go automatically into this filter? I mean the one that we created. How do we set that?
Oh yeah,
And
yeah. Don't worry,
yeah,
I
I know,
will
but
teach
the
that.
previous ones, the previous that already passed, that means the emails that were already in before we set the filter, will it also go automatically?
No, you need to set. You need to set it up, but
Oh,
which
okay.
I will teach you later. Yeah, for
Okay,
that
all
one
right.
you need to set it up.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right. Yeah. That's actually a good question. How can we automate? Because this one, what we are doing is actually like more manual work. Manual work, because you need to search for it, and then you need to label it. For example, here, I just label it as booking because I already have that. So here. So I just click on it, booking. So see, it's automatically labeled. So 8 conversation added to Google Educator, digital skills booking. So let me show you. So this is my label. I have a few label. So
So it means
I'm
for the past ones we have to do it manually, lah, is it? For the past
no,
ones.
no, no. There's a
Oh,
trick.
cannot.
Yeah,
Oh, okay, okay.
you can do it.
So
Don't worry.
yeah,
There's a
okay,
trick. Yeah.
okay.
So for this one, it's only for the one that you choose to. Only whatever you can see. This is manual, totally manual. There's a way to make it automated, but this one is totally manual. So because for here, example, I already choose 8 conversation and I already add it to my label here. And then if I go here, you can see under my Google Educator, I have a few label under my Google Educator. I have a few label, okay, few label, and then digital skills is one of it. So under digital skills, I have another label which is booking. So you just go to here, booking. So here is all all the mail that I label as a booking. So for example, let me show you here. If I open it, you can see here, Google Educator, Digital Skills Booking. If you want to remove, you just can do that, click on X, or another way, if you go here, if you tick on the mail, go here, and then you just untick and apply. Then it's become out of the conversation, is removed from the labeling. Okay. I heard question. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry for Android. But yeah, I guess it's for Android. Yeah. Okay. If you're using iPhone, the thing will be in your open up Gmail, click more. You will find create new. But I'm so sorry, I don't have actually Android phone, which I wish I can demonstrate to you. But yeah, for iPhone user, iPad, you can do it. Can the label arrange according to my sequence? Sequence, okay, what sequence are you wish to name it as a sequence, or how does it work? Sundar. I'm so sorry because I don't really understand your question. Yeah, can
Hi,
you?
Siti.
Yeah,
Uh, just like now is arranged according to the alphabets, right? A, B, C, right? So let's say I
uh,
want to
here.
look at the labels here, like A, B, C, right? Let's say I
Hmm?
want to move like A first, then F, like that.
Oh, you want to arrange it?
Uh,
This one is by default.
by default there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay then. Thank you.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. This one is by default. The only thing you can do here is to change the color. As you can see here, I have blue, orange. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Okay. Okay, now since we already have that, there's also another way if to create the label, but this one is going by going to your settings. Okay, this is another way. Sorry. Okay, this is another way of creating a new label. It's just which is going to your settings. So click on the gear settings logo symbol here. Click on it. Go to settings. Okay, go to settings. Now you inside your settings, click on labels. Okay, click on labels. So from here, you can create a new label. So you scroll down a bit, there's a label. You can create a new label from here. Okay, from your setting as well, you can create a new label. So create new. So here, create new, you just click on the create new button, and then it's the same thing, you just create the name of the label, and then if it's a nest label under, you tick on it. If it's not, so just leave it alone, just write down the name of the label, and then you just create. Okay, this one is from the setting. Okay, here if you search for the label again, it will be on your left side. You just scroll down, search for the label. So if you want to open up all the mail that under that label, you just click on it. For example, here I just click on booking. You can see the numbers here. Is the numbers of unread mail under the label. This is not the number of mail under that. It is showing you the number of how many you haven't read yet. It's more like an inbox.
Miss Kathy, can you show me again how to get the create the label under the settings? Because I can't find the settings. I mean the label under my settings here.
Okay, here.
Okay.
Okay, sure. Here, you go here to your gear setting. Just go to
Okay.
settings.
Yeah.
Okay, loading. Here, it should be labels.
The
So you
top
you
bar, is it?
yeah
Oh, on the bar.
you
I
on
see.
general now. Click on labels. You need to go
Okay.
down. Here,
Down.
create new
Oh,
label.
okay, right.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. You need to go down. Okay. Now that's how you do it from the settings. Now let's go back to the inbox. Okay, so if you wish to open up it, okay, there's another thing you can do. You click on it. So this is I'm showing you how to make it more colorful. Just Just now, as you can see, it's just gray color. But if you wish to change the label color, for example, here my case is already turned out to be blue for the booking. Okay, for booking, it's turned out to be blue. As you can see, it's blue. Previously, it was just gray color. So here, if you wish to change the color of your labeling, okay, so click on, bring your cursor there until the number change into three dot, okay, three dots, and then you go to label color. Then you can choose your color from here, or you can create your own. Okay, if you wish to create your own, add custom color. So here you can choose your background color and also text colors, and also they will show you the preview up here. Okay, so the background color and also the text color, once you're done, click apply. So here for my case, it will mention me the color for label was adjusted. So here I already changed it into blue. So the one that I label as a booking, it will become blue. The label will become blue. This one is just for your eyes if you wish to change it. So if you open up your mail as well, you will see it's become blue. So the label is follow you. It will become blue color. So this one up to you. You totally can customize it. But in you cannot customize it in your handphone. For your handphone, gonna be seen on mobile. Yeah, if you set the color on PC, if you open up your phone, but the label is not really like fully like colorful as in PC like this. No, it will become blue, but only the it's not fully. So you cannot customize it, but the color will follow if you open up on your phone. You cannot customize the color in your phone. You can only do it in PC, but if you open up it in your phone, you will see the color follow as well. So yeah. The label color, okay, so let me just demo it straight from my mail. Okay, let's say I want to change the color. Right now it's blue, yeah? So here, just bring your cursor, don't have to click on it yet. Just bring your cursor until you see the three dot appear. Okay, bring your cursor to the level that you wish to change the color. Bring it. And then now it's already three dot, you click on it. Here, label color. Okay, label color. So now you can choose the color or you can add your own color. So add custom color, you can just customize it. For example, let's just go with pink. Okay, I will go with pink. So now I just click on apply. So you can see the color now become pink. That's how you just play around with the label color, just in case if you have too many label, it's easy for you to see it. Okay, that's how you do color. So labeling and coloring, is everybody okay with this? So if yes, we can move on to the next topic. Okay. All right. So we will move on to the next one. Thank you for responding. Okay. Now we're going to have an advanced search. Okay. Advanced search in our Gmail. Yeah, in our Gmail. Okay. So here, if you notice on your Gmail, you also have the search button. Okay. If you notice in your Gmail, you also have your, sorry. Okay. If you notice in your Gmail, you also have your search button up there. Here. Okay, search button. So here, example in my case, I want to search for an email that coming from this email, this person, edu@solves247.org. Okay, for my case here, I'm going to search using this. I'm going to search email that either sent or from this. Okay, either sent to or from this particular person. So you just there's a box right here on your Gmail. So you just type in. It doesn't have to be actually to be an email. It also can be the content of the email that you remember. For example, it's talking about exam. You can just type in exam and search. Okay. So now for my case, I'm searching based on email. So this is the email. So it's going to search. You'll just click on search. Okay. Oops. Sorry. Okay, click on search. So that's how, if you search, then it will appear all email coming from this person, or send to this person. It will come out here. It will come out here. So let me just demonstrate to you. So here is the search mail. If you notice, there's a search mail button on the top. So let's say again, I'm looking for an email from this particular person. So now here, and then you just click on search, or you can press enter. Okay, as you can see here, it will show me the result. Either the emails coming from this person, or I send it to this person. So this is the result. Okay. Also, there's a number here you can see. So this is a total of email from this person. I have 148. Okay, they will tell you here lah. They will tell you on the top here. If you want to know how many emails coming from this person, it will show you here. So I have 148 email from this person. And also, like I said, doesn't have to be email address. It also can be anything that you remember, any keyword. For example, here, optimizing Gmail. Just click enter. So here, any words match this optimizing Gmail will appear here. Okay, it's either inside the conversation, or either the title of the email itself. As long as it's found optimizing Gmail inside the mail, the result will come up here. Okay, that's how you do search in your Gmail. Okay, so now we are going to create a filter. Okay, we're going to create a filter based on certain email that we are, based on email. Okay, for example here, I want to create a filter for new booking for optimizing Gmail. I want to filter it. I want it to become one. Okay, I want it to become one. So this is how you do it. So you open up your Gmail. This is based on your mail, yeah. So you must open up your mail. You must open up your mail. Okay. And then there's an option, filter message like this. Okay, if you click on this, filter message like this. So you click on it. So here it will again it will be the same just before. So just the difference is now it's going to search email from, okay, from. That's mean it must be from them. It's not the one that I send it to them. It must be from them. So here, as you can see, there's additional things that you can also write in. So here, for example, I'm just going to search from edu at source247.org. I just click on search. I will click on search. Okay, so it will give me the result. So it will give me the result. So this is the result. Again, this is about the same thing we did just now. So any email from, it will filter. That's mean it must be from them. Okay, the result here, all the email from edu at source247. Okay, I will just go back here. So if you notice, there's a keyword right here, from. Okay, that's a keyword. Mean it must be from them. There's also a few keywords. If you wish to know, there's a few keywords. Let me just share it with you here. There's a few keywords that you can use. Oh, there's a question. Wait, I will go back to you guys. Okay, there's a certain keywords. If you use in, okay, if you use in, so that it followed by the folder name, it will restrict your search only in specific folder. Okay, if you do label followed by label or folder name, it will only search in that particular label. For example, here it's from followed by the email address, so means it's only going to search in this part. It will only search email from this particular specific email address. It will not search any other. It must be from this guy. Okay. So also there's a file name. So if you remember your attachment names, but you don't remember the sender, you can use this file name and just key in the attachment name. Okay, if you do this is, and then you do unread, so it going to list only unread mails. Okay, there's also other search operator which I share with you guys in the link. So if you wish to know more, okay, so it's here. The first word is the more like an the one that will be used, or you can just simply use this. You can just fill up this. Here, for example, from, it must be from edu@solve247.org. Okay. 2. So if I wish to search for my mail that I sent to edu@source247, I need to move this and I key in into 2. edu@source247.org. Okay. Here is the subject. Okay. Here is the subject. You must key in the subject. So if I key in the subject, for example, optimizing Gmail here, so and I click on search, so it must be fit these two criteria, must be fitting into these two. It cannot be either one. So it must be from edu@source247 with the subject title optimizing Gmail. It doesn't have to be the exact one, but like I said, even though I only have a little bit of the word found in the Gmail, in the email from Edu, it will still search for it. Also, if you have any includes word, or you have a specific doesn't have this word, you can also play with that. And also you can choose has attachment. Okay. And also if you tick this, don't include chat. The reason why, because sometimes, for example, I'm chatting with Edu at Source247. Okay, I'm chatting with Edu, and then I also mentioned optimizing Gmail. If I click on search, okay, it will also appear because all your Hangout chat will be recorded. Okay, your Hangout chat will be recorded. Okay, so that's how. Let me just demo to you. Okay, let me just demo to you. Okay, now let's say I'm going to do the advanced search. So I just click on this. So the email must be from edu@solve247.org. Okay, it must from them. The subject, I want it to at least have this word, optimizing Gmail. Okay, does it have to be attachment? No, I don't have to. Okay, so you can even choose the day. Okay, so is it how long did you receive the email? You can also limit the search here. Okay, you can also limit the search here. Okay, so now just for my case, I'm just looking from this person, and the subject at least have this word, and then I'm just going to click on search. So here, as you can see, this is the one that fit the criteria. So it must be from Edu. The subject at least have this keyword. Okay, the subject at least have this keyword. Okay. As you can see, there's 53 conversation about this. Let's say I'm changing this. Okay. I move it here. It doesn't have. Okay, doesn't have. So it will search mail from Edu, but the email doesn't have this keyword. So I just click on search. Okay, so this is my other mail from edu@solve247 that doesn't have this keyword, that doesn't have this optimizing Gmail. Okay, so this is more like an advanced search. And also let me show you, if I want to do has attachment, let's say I'm looking for an email from Farah which has attachment. Okay, search. So it will search for it. So for example, here I don't have any email from Farah that has attachment. Let me just change it to someone else. Team. Okay, so I have my conversation with Tim, have a few. Okay, I have a few here that has attachment. So it will search all conversation that I have with this particular person that has attachment. So all conversation will be listed there. So this is just more like an advanced search. So if you can't really remember, you need to read the email again, but you cannot remember everything else. Okay. But then okay, for Android you don't have Gmail advanced search. You don't have advanced search. I'm sorry. For Android, for phone user, for mobile user, you don't have these advanced search features. I'm sorry. Yep. So this is only for a PC user. So this is really helpful if you want to open up your previous mail that you can't really remember. You just remember like a part of it. So you can use this feature to look for that particular mail. Okay, so this is more like this is just an advanced search. All right. Okay, this is advanced search that you're doing just now. Okay, or the okay, this is advanced search. So the same thing. Just click on advanced search. It will filter. You'll it will filter the result. But just type the same result. Yeah. Yours is not advanced search. Yours is just search. For mobile, it's just search. You cannot do the advanced search. Okay, so this is just the filter search. Okay, this is just normal search. For here, I show you. I'm looking for my optimizing Gmail mail, so it will show me the list. So you can the most easier for you how you can do this advanced search. You can use it to find the mail that has attachment. If it's labeling, so labeling is really helpful. So if you remember under which label this email is, also you can key in the email address and also the keyword that you can remember about the mail. Okay, so this is among the things that you can use if you wish to search for it. Okay, and sometimes again, like I said, sometimes you need to read it again. You just don't remember completely about the mail, but at least if you have something, for example, you keyword, you remember what are you talking about, so you can just search for it. And you remember from whom the email coming from, you can search from that particular person. Okay, now this is the one that you guys been asking. How can you automate common action? Okay, we're going to do filter again. So it's almost similar like labeling and so on. Okay, this one, we're going to make it automatic. Automatic. So whenever the new email come in, it will filter it accordingly and will label it or doing something else that you ask them to do. Okay, how are we going to filter? Okay, first, this is just me searching for it. For example, here my case here, I'm searching for again the email from edu@source247. Okay, this is the same thing just before, but instead of click on search, what we're going to click is create filter. Okay, instead of clicking on search button, okay, this is similar like advanced, yeah. Okay, this is similar like advanced, but instead of clicking on search, what you're going to do is okay, what you're going to do is you just create filter. Create filter. Okay, for example here, I'm searching from edu and subject optimizing Gmail. I click on filter. So here is where you choose what it's going to do with that particular message that fit the criteria. Okay, so when you click on create filter, so you will given this option. Okay, you will given this option. So you need to choose what will it do with that particular mail that fit your criteria that you just create. Okay, so here there's an option. So once you just choose whatever it is, you just click on create filter. So here is the filter. The first one option, skip the inbox, it will archive it. Okay, so when you click on this one, so means that anything that fit the criteria, the mail that fit the criteria, it will not be in your inbox. It will not be on your inbox. When you click on it, it will not be on inbox. Here, we can also tick mark as read. So whenever the new mail fit your criteria getting into your inbox, it will automatically like mark as read. It will automatically become read. Okay, and then there's another one, star it. So if you wish to put stars in that particular mail, so it will become like that. And then you can also automatically apply labeling. Okay, you can choose apply labeling. So it will automatically label the particular mail that fit the criteria, or you can also forward it. So it will, if you choose forward it, you need to add on the forwarding address. So whenever you receive an email fit the criteria, it will automatically forward the mail to the email address that you set up. Okay, it will automatically forward it. Or you also choose delete it. So means whenever message come in fit your criteria, it will be automatically deleted. Or if that particular message is important, but most of the time it's going to your spam, you can do this. Never send it to spam. Never send it to spam means that so the mail will be safe. Okay. Is the filter by email address of the mail, or can be something else. It's up to you. You're the one who set it up. You are the one who set all the setup, like before this here. You are the one who creating the filter. You are the one to choose how it will. You are the one to choose how the topic, how the subject, is it from that particular person, have particular words. You are the one who decide on this. Okay, you are the one who decide on this filter. Okay, so again, you never send it to spam because sometimes it's from an important person, but most of the time it's detected as spam. So you just tick on this, so it will be safe. It will always be in your inbox. Or send template means this one will automatically respond to that particular mail. Okay, template we will show you also today. So if you decide send template, it will automatically reply to that particular mail. Okay, send template, it will automatically reply. So you can also choose mark is important, never mark is important. And then you can also put categories as you can put it. For example, you have promotion, forum. This the choose of category. Okay, the last one is very important. Also apply filter to matching conversation. If you untick this, okay, leave it as it is, the old email that fit the criteria will not be included. Okay, that's mean only the new mail that fit the criteria will take will follow the instruction given here. Okay, if you tick, that's mean everything else, even the previous conversation that fit the criteria, will be, for example, I choose labeling, it will label here. I choose labeling. Okay, for example, here I choose labeling. So here again I'm using booking. I choose also apply filter to matching conversation. So it means even the old conversation that fit the criteria from Edu subject here will also be automatically labeled as this one, as booking. So now once you're done, create filter. So you will see your filter is created. So it will show me that all the conversation that fit the criteria will be labeled automatically. Even the new coming email will be labeled automatically. So here, okay.
Uh,
Yeah,
Sorry, Miss Kathy.
go
Just
ahead.
now you taught us how to label, right? But we
Mm.
didn't do this setting. That means we only, how do we go back to the just now the label that we did to do this setting so that we can label for the previous mails as well?
Yeah, you just make sure when you create the filter, so you tick the last one. Also apply filter to matching conversation. Then only you create filter.
What I mean is just now when we created our first filter just now, we didn't do this
Hmm?
step. How do we
No.
go back? We didn't do this. So how do
Okay,
we?
don't worry. What you do is you just apply the label here. You just choose on the label that you already created. So you key in the condition again. You key in the condition again. It just here when you choose apply the label, you choose the label. So yeah, you just choose the label, the existing one, or you need to create new label. So the difference is here you just tick on this. Also apply filter to matching
Oh,
conversation and create filter. Don't worry. Yeah, you
okay,
still can
okay.
do.
So we go back to the previous one and just go create filter and click the last one. Nah.
Yes, correct.
Okay, okay, right. Thank you, thank
All
you.
right. I heard a question, so let me just go through my chat. Okay. Okay, you can be something. How to set by topic? Yeah, the past mails, I believe I already show you. So you need to ensure that you click on the last button. That's the most important button. Okay, this is the most important button. Also apply filter to matching conversation. So that only like it will also filter everything else in your mail, even though it's for 1 or 2 years ago. Okay, can it reply with schedule send? Schedule send. So here the only things that you can choose it's here. Okay, I'm sorry, wait. Okay, the only thing you can choose it's only from here. So there's no for now there's no schedule send. So this is the only automatic response automatic step that you can choose for now. So sorry, this is the only thing that you can choose for now. That's the only option. Can it reply? Okay, can I use the filter to delete mails? Yeah. Yeah, sure. Okay, when you choose the filter, you choose this one, delete it. So whenever the new mail, for example, you don't, okay, this person definitely spam, for example, yeah. So you just key in from this particular person. So in this step, you just click on delete it and then you create filter. Means that whenever any email coming from that person, it will be automatically deleted. So that's how you can do it. Can we set so that the recognize spam automatic? No, they will not recognize spam automatically. You have to set it up. So if you know from, but normally Gmail will detect spam email. Normally they will do it, but sometimes it didn't really work properly. So if that is the case, if you know who's that coming from, you can set up the criteria here. Yeah, you can set it up here. But it doesn't have the, so normally spam goes to spam. Normally spams go to spam, but just in case that you know this particular person uh is actually not a good email, so you can automatically just choose delete it. But there's no particular instruction to send it go to spam. Nope. Okay. How about archive instead? Yeah, you can also archive instead of delete it. Yes, you can also archive. For example, here in my case, I'll show you my Gmail account. So here I have I instruct something to skip my inbox and just archive it. It will be, but I do labeling for that one. For example, here, okay, the one that I label as Q4 2016. This one, I don't receive it in my Gmail. It will automatically be archived, means it will not go to my inbox, but it's still under this labeling. Okay, the reason why, because later on if I wish to search for it, it's still easy for me to look for it, because if I archive it, there's no shortcut here that you can open up your archive mail. No shortcut. So that's why
Miss,
I labeled it. Yeah.
sorry, Miss Katie, we can't find the archive on the left panel. Where's the archive button?
There's no. That's the thing. There's no. You cannot. It means here, right?
Ah,
Left.
yes.
Yeah. There's no archive button. So that's the thing. That's why I
Oh,
suggest you, if you wish to do that, make sure that you're put label on it. So it's easy for you to search for it, because there's no button archive here. There's no so that means there's
oh,
no, you cannot see archive things. You cannot
oh,
see it.
we in Gmail we can't archive the mails, you
You
mean?
you you can archive. You can archive. So this is the okay. Wait, yeah. Archive. So this is the sorry. This is the
Oh,
archive logo. Also, if you without opening, this is the one archive.
oh, okay. So
Okay.
archive basically means it doesn't take up space, but it's still there.
Yeah, it will not be in the inbox, but it's actually still there.
How do we click the archive to open it back or to check anything from there? How do we open it back?
So if you so that's why I suggest, if you want to archive something, at least you have it labeled, because you couldn't find it here.
Oh,
There's
Miss,
a way. There's a way to look for it, but it's more like a keyword way.
um,
So does, for example, here doesn't it doesn't from my inbox, it's not in my inbox. I put negative here means it's not my inbox. I put negative here, so it's not in my, let's say it's not in my draft. Okay, it's not in my draft, so I just search for it. Okay, so this is my archive. If you notice, this is my archive
Oh,
button. There's a way to
okay.
look for it, but there's no archive button here.
I see. Okay.
Yeah,
What is
there's a way.
the function of snooze over there? The word snooze
Snooze, that means you will not receive any notification.
from the particular person, is
Yes,
it?
yes.
But it will still come into the inbox, is it?
Yep, yep, still.
And it go automatically into the.
Hmm?
Will the email come into the
Yeah,
the
it
email
depends how long did you snooze that person. It will
but
get
it's
up.
still in inbox it will still be inbox.
Yeah,
Only thing
yeah,
we don't get notification. Okay.
yes, yes.
Oh,
Okay. How can I filter archive message? So filter archive message. Okay, archive message is actually normal email. Okay, please don't get confused. So archive is still from normal email. It just you archive it, so it will skip your inbox. Okay, it will skip your inbox. Okay, it will skip your inbox. You can still look for it. It just you need to put negatives so that it can be labeled automatically. So you just do the same thing here when you do this. Okay, do it source. Org. Create filter. So here you click on this, skip the inbox. So any email coming from this person, it will not be in my inbox. It will archive it. So that's how archive works. It's actually jump out from your mail. You can also do the mailing like normally. For example, here again, edu@souls247.org. Okay, filter. So you can also choose multiple. For example, here apply the label. So it will apply this label. Let's say education digital skills. Okay, apply the label, skip the inbox. So it will skip my inbox. It will also apply this label automatically. If I choose this, it will also apply filter to the previous conversation. As you can see here, I already have it. Okay, so now let me just quickly show you how can you change the setting that you already created. For example, you already created it, but you want to update the filter.
这样久了2个钟头了嘞。
Okay. So now let's say you want to update the filter. So this is the one you already create everything. So you already apply it. Okay, so you already have it. So now, okay, this is how you wish to change the filter that you just created, the automatic filter. What you need to go, you go to settings here, go to settings. Okay, here it is your setting, filter and block addresses. Okay, filters and block addresses. This is where you need to go. Just go to filter and block addresses. Okay, you click on it. So you look for the filter that you created. So here it will show me any filter coming from edu at source247.org. The subject is here. So I wish to here they will tell me what will it do if it fit the criteria. Here it will apply the labeling. So now I wish to edit it. So you just click on edit. If you want to delete, just click on delete. For the previous filter that you created, you can just delete it from here as well. Here, I want to show you how can I edit. So I just click on edit. Okay. Now, here, it will come up here. You click on continue. Okay. You click on continue. So if you wish to edit more specific keyword, it must be to here or include this word. If you had any additional criteria that you wish to include, just key in here as well and then click on continue. So here you can edit it again. Okay, you can edit this. You can always edit it and then just click update filter. So click on update filter, then you are done. Okay, click on update filter, then you are good to go.
Okay, Miss Kathy, I got one question. For
Mm-hmm.
all the labels that we have done just now, so if any email that matches the label, it will still go into inbox, is it? But
If you didn't archive it, yes, it will still go to the inbox.
can we set so that it doesn't go into the inbox, but it goes into our label? So we click the label only, we can see that new emails.
Archive it. You choose to
Oh,
archive it. Yeah.
or we have to archive it. We
Yeah.
can't set so that it goes into the label itself. The
No,
label.
label is not a folder. That's the thing. No. If
Talking
you
about.
wish to do that, you need to archive it.
Oh, the only way lah. We can't create a folder where it goes into a folder itself and we open from the folder.
Because it's not a folder. Label is just a label, so that's why it still go to the inbox. It still need a place to be. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, because it's the label, I mean the inbox, I mean the inbox will be quite long and a lot of color and all that. It's like very, very, very long, a lot of mails already. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
if you sorry Akmal Azmi, if you feel you can filter archive message, yes, you can filter it. You can label automatically. Like I show you, you can choose the many option that you want to choose. Okay, you can archive it instead of delete it. Yes, you can choose whatever instruction that you want to give to your Gmail, what it needs to do. How to look for archive mails. So okay, I'll key in here. If I put show you here. Okay, the reason why I put negative so means that it should not be in my inbox. Again, when you archive it, it will not go to your inbox. Okay, how can you search for archive message? So here I put it negative in inbox means I'm looking for something that's not in my inbox, and also I don't want it something from my draft. Okay, I don't want it from my draft as well. So negative in inbox and also negative in draft. So I just entered. So this is the one that I already archived because this is the one that not in my inbox and also not in my draft as well. So this is the one. So that's another way how you can look for it because there's no archive button here. So you need to do search like that. I want to directly label as archive. After I archive it, I want to directly label. Yeah, you can choose as many instruction as you want. Yeah. edwardsoul's247.org. Click here. So include the words no, it's from here. Create filter. So you can choose as many as you want. For example, here, you will skip my inbox and then it will automatically apply the label digital skills booking. And then also, you can choose as many as you want. I also want it to be apply filter to the matching conversation. So means any previous conversation that match this as well, it will automatically filter it. You can choose as many as you want right here. Okay? You can choose as many as you want right there. So there's no limit or whatever you want to do on it. Label name as archive. So it's okay. It's up to you to put the label name. The reason why I suggest you to label it, for example, here in my case, I already have something that in my that jump this Q4 2016. Okay, Q4 2016. Let me show you my instruction for that one. Settings. Okay, filter. Okay, I have a lot of instruction. So here, okay, it will skip my inbox and will automatically apply this label. So let me just go edit to show you more. Okay. Okay, continue. So here, what I did with this one, okay, what I did with this Q4 2016, it will skip the inbox, which I archive it, but then again, it will apply this label. Okay, it will apply this label. The reason why I did this because it's easy for me still to look for it. So I just click on it. So here is the list that under that label. So it's just a more easy way for you to find it. I want to label automatically after you already archive it. You want to label automatically the one that you already archived. So no is the one that you already archived means. Okay. Want to label automatically after you archive it. If you already archive it, so again the criteria, there's no, you cannot choose the one that you archive. So here, so this is the only criteria that you can create the filter with. Okay. You can create the filter only from this only from this, okay, only from this, the one that matches this, okay, the one that matches this is the one that you can create your filter from. Okay, this is the one, this is the one. So you cannot choose the one that you already archived. Okay, you cannot, there's no option for you to choose the one that you already archived and then you create the filter. It needs to, you need to know from who or to whom, and then the subject. If you have any of the keyword, okay, you must have any of the keyword, then only you can create the filter. Yeah, you cannot create the one that you already archived because it doesn't know what is the criteria to create the filter. Okay, so now just a quick one. Okay, so this one just will be the last one. Yeah, this is a can responses. So this is a template that you already created. This is for repeated redundant email that you need to reply. It's the same thing that you need to reply again and again. So the reason why it's, you already have template. So this is the use of can responses. Okay, the use of can responses. I'm sorry for the user of phone. Phone is only available for desktop, not for phone. Yeah, this feature is not available for phone. Yeah, okay, only for laptop. So what you need to go again? You need to go to the settings. Okay, settings, and then you need to go to advanced setting. You need to enable this. You need to enable templates. Okay, you need to enable this. Template, you need to enable. Once you enable, save changes. Okay, you need to enable that, save changes. Now if you compose your mail, okay, if you compose your mail, okay, if you compose your mail, you notice on the bottom there's a three dot. Click on that. Okay, click on that. There's a template. There's an option. When you click the three dot, there's an option template. Templates. Okay. When you choose template, now you choose to save draft as template. So whatever you already write on your mail right now, it will you will make it as a, it will, this is the draft right now because you haven't sent it to someone. So this is your draft. So save draft as template. Okay, save draft as template. Save as a new template. So this is the template. The title will be Optimizing Gmail. The content, how to optimizing Gmail. Title, Optimizing Gmail. The content will be how to optimizing Gmail. Can responses. So save as a new template. Okay, this one you just give it any names that you wish to give it. Click on save. Okay. So now, for example, I'm going to compose another mail. Okay, whenever you're creating the template, kindly ensure that you remove your signature. Okay, kindly you don't have your signature with you when you are creating the template. When you're creating the draft, remove the signature, only the content. The reason why, when you put in the template, it will also copy the signature. This is helpful for those who are using more than one signature. You can also create it as a template actually. Okay, so now if you compose a new mail, again the three dot, now you choose the template. Go to the template and then choose the template. Now I'm choosing Optimizing Gmail, the one that I created. So now as you can see, it will automatically be there. Title, Optimizing Gmail. The content, how to optimizing Gmail. So this is more like a template that you wish, if you want to repeat it, information. Repeat the step 4. Okay, I will demonstrate straight from the mail. So here, you go to the setting. Again, this is only for PC. Settings. Go to, okay, oops. Go to advanced. Make sure you enable this part, template. Okay. whatever it is, kindly ensure that you enable this part, else you will not see it in your mail. So when you compose your mail, okay, when you compose your mail, okay, this is when you want to create a template. So make sure that you remove all the signature. Okay, because whenever you compose, the signature will be there. So you don't need that. So you remove your signature. So here, subject, template, hi, for example. So here, more option. The three dot. This is the one that you're looking for. Then you go to template. So this is the one. Save draft as template. If this is a new one, okay. Or you can also override old one here. You can override or save a new. So I'm just going to save as new. Okay. Template. Save draft as template. Save as new template. Give it a name. So the name will be template. So I just click save. So now I just delete this. So now I'm going to compose. So here, as you can see, there's empty, there's nothing here, right? So this is only my signature. So what I'm going to do, again, click on more option, template. Now, insert template. Okay, just key it, just choose the one that you wish to use. I'm going to use template, click on it. So it will automatically be there. Template is the title just now, and this is the one that I key in. So if everybody okay, that's how you create template.
Miss Kathy, just now, why do we need to remove our signature there when we
Because
do the
if
template?
you if you did not remove your template, so it will become this is the entire thing will be included in your template, and then at the bottom here you will see your signature again. Okay, I'll just
Oh, I see, I
yeah,
see. Okay.
yeah,
Means
it
it
will,
will also capture everything that's on the
yeah,
blank email.
correct. So it will
Then it will
become
put
like
it
this.
on,
Yeah,
or it will be again.
yeah. So
I
that's
see.
the reason why you need to remove your template. Yeah, I remember yesterday you asked you have two signatures. So this is you cannot create there, but this is another way how you can do it. So you
If we
can
if we have two, then how do we choose to use which one? Since we
also
already have
yeah.
thought of
So
the other.
here if you
Huh?
just create it as a template, so whenever you want to use it, so you just just call in that
Oh,
particular
template.
particular template, so it will be there. So you can use
Is
that. Mhm.
is there a maximum number of templates we can make on this Gmail? I mean, on this system?
Maximum no, there's
No, no.
none.
Okay.
There's none. Okay.
And then we have to name the template as a particular name that we can remember, lah, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, thank you.
Okay, all right. Okay, so everybody okay? So any other question? I hope like everybody's good now with you are getting better. Yeah, I'm so sorry for phone user because it's most of the things here is limited because not everything you can do in your phone, and I'm so sorry again. I'm not really sure the step on Android phone because I cannot show you whatever I have, the one that I can show you. Then again, thank you for attending my session.